Alright y'all, today I'm gonna demonstrate how to do a medium drop fade undercut. First of all, you want to brush down the sides. Then you take the number 4 guard and clean up the hair that sticks up on the sides, followed by the number 3 guard against the grain. With the detailers, you should make your first medium drop guideline. Make sure you separate it from the top layer as you remove the unwanted hair with your balding clippers. Then I begin my fade an inch high with the 1.5 guard, followed by the number 2 guard to clean off that first line with the 1.5. I come right back and hit it with the 1 1/8. Then I start a new guideline with the half an inch high with the level down. To take out that middle line, I use my number 1 on my baldings to clean it out. And with the zeros, I gently blend in that bottom line as I come back and hit it with the baldings to make sure there's nothing left. Just to be safe, I take my detailers backwards and scrape off any unwanted line that's left. To keep a darker hairline, I take a 1.5 and go over it with the grain. Keep it close as possible and square up his edges. Make sure you don't pass up his eyebrows line. With a dry razor, make sure you gently take off the unwanted hair, as those are not needed for this fade. So make sure you clean them up nicely right after that. As the client requested, 2 hash marks on the side of his fade. I call this the skeleton before you put the razor on it and spread it out. Make sure you're careful while you spread out on these hash marks, because you might go a little bit too far in or a little too far out. And as requested again, he wanted an inch off his top layer of hair with scissors. As you see, I did my best. Well, there you have it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the before picture, and there's the after picture with a smile on his face, killing it. Here you go. If you guys like this, I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit me with the thumbs up and share with your friends and leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you. Deuces.